it's time to do our first EFT session together. This one is about removing the blocks that is kind of hindering us from even doing this course. A lot of people come to me as one last resort. They believe that they have tried everything that there is, and they, at this point, believe that nothing works for me. I'm special. I did too. I thought I was special too. And believe me, you're special. You're not that kind of special. So, what we're going to do here is basically remove blocks that might be hindering us from moving forward and actually taking full advantage of this course. Before we start with the tapping, we are going to assess. You're going to ask yourself, or I'm going to ask you, how much do you believe that this won't work for you? That this course will not work for you? Write it down. I believe that this course will not work for me this much. And this much is, anything from 0 to 10. Where 0 is, I don't have a problem. And 10 means I don't believe this course is going to help me at all. So write your number down. And let's start tapping. Even though I don't really believe that this is going to help me, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I don't think that this course will actually help me feel better. It seems kind of weird. I have tried so many other things. And I accept myself and those feelings. Even though it's weird for me to think that this might actually help me. I don't really believe it. But I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Top of the head. I don't know if this is going to work for me. I don't know if this is for me. I have tried so many things. I don't know if this will work. I might as well try because I'm here. But I don't know if it's going to work for me. It might work for other people. But not me, because I'm special. Yeah, I just don't know about this. It seems kind of odd. It seems like it wouldn't be for me. I don't know if this is going to work. But I'm here, so I might as well try. It seems kind of weird. Why did I sign up again? I don't know if this is going to work. But you know what? I'm willing to try. I am willing to try. I am willing to open up and give this a shot. I love myself enough to do that. At least I want to love myself to do that. I don't know if it's going to work, but I want to give it a shot. I want to allow it to work. I want to get better. I want to feel better. I want this to work, even if I thought it wouldn't. But I'm ready to let go of those feelings because I want it to work. I want to love myself more. I want to love myself more. So I choose to let go. I choose to let go of the feelings that are blocking me. The feelings that are blocking me from taking this course fully. I'm letting them go. I am letting them go. I'm letting them go. I'm choosing to let them go. So I can feel love. We're going to end. Just tap your wrists together and say, I'm choosing to letting all of my blocks go now because I love myself. All right, I want you to take a deep breath. And now I want you to look at the number that you wrote down, and I want you to ask the same question again. How much of you believes that this course is not for you? If your number has gone down or moved up, you are making progress. And I would advise you to rewind this video until your number is 2 or lower. Okay? If you started at 2, I want you to have it lower. But if you started at, like, say 7 or whatever, 2 is really, really great after just a few minutes of tapping. So rewind it if you have to. If not, you can move on to the next one.